again with the Spartan Imports Product Showcase for July 2009. We just received a large shipment of new A&K rifles, and we're going to give you a quick look at some of the new models. First off, we have the SG556. The 556 has a full metal body construction, glass fiber handguard, and 6-position stock. It weighs 7.4 pounds and has an extended length of 920 millimeters and a closed length of 850 millimeters. The 556 runs off a stick-type battery stored in the handguard. Out of the box, the 556 shoots about 370 to 390 feet per second. The 556 includes a high-capacity 360-round magazine, as well as a sling and .20 BBs. Next we have the A&K LR300 series Short and Carbine. Both of these guns have full metal construction, glass fiber handguard, and grips. They also feature a full metal side folding stock. Also, they have a standard 20mm top rail for any accessories. Both LR300s run off a mini battery stored in the handguard. Out of the box, they shoot about 360 to 380 feet per second with .20 BBs. The gun runs off a version 2 gearbox with fully adjustable hop-ups. Included is also a 300-round magazine. Both versions of the LR300 include a value package with a 9.6 volt battery, charger, BBs, quick detach sling loops, and a stock adjustment tool. Here we have the SPR series Carbine and Rifle. Again, these guns have full metal construction as well as a glass fiber stock and grip. Also included is a free-floated full metal riz. Both of these guns run off a version 2 gearbox with fully adjustable hop-ups. Out of the box, they shoot about 360 to 380 feet per second with .20 BBs. Included also is a 300-round magazine. Both versions of the SPR include a value package with 9.6 volt batteries, charger, BBs, and tools. Thanks for watching our product showcase for July 2009. Stay tuned for new updates and check out our website at www.spartanimports.com for more information.